Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos with text on Instagram on your PC with the latest update. Let's explore the steps to make your Instagram messaging more engaging and dynamic. To begin, open your Instagram account on your PC by logging in. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send multiple videos with text. Click on the chat to open it. Within the chat window, locate and click on the photo icon. This will prompt you to choose the videos you want to send. Select the videos from your files and click Open to add them to your message. After selecting the videos, you'll have the opportunity to write the text you want to include with the videos. Type your message in the text box provided. Once you have written your message and added the videos, it's time to send them. Click on the Send button to share the videos along with your text in the Instagram chat. By following these steps, you can easily send multiple videos with text on Instagram on your PC, allowing you to express yourself creatively and connect with your friends and followers in a more personalized way. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Start sharing multiple videos with text on Instagram today and enhance your messaging experience with your audience.